The holy grail, what every business should pray for, is the relationship building part. Because like I said in the first part of this lesson, relationship is a key ingredient for success if you're marketing on a budget. When you're marketing on a budget, you cannot afford to be wasting money. And one way to waste money is to always spend money to get every new customer. If your business runs such that you always spend money to get every customer, the problem is that if those customers are not being retained in your business, if those customers just buy from you once and you never see them again, then there's a problem. It means that your marketing will be more expensive because for every sale you make, you have to incur a cost to get that customer. So when your customers don't stay, when you are not building a relationship with your customers, when you don't have retention, when you're not giving people who buy from you a reason to come back and buy from you, your marketing will be more expensive because every time you spend money, that cost of marketing does not have residual value. You always have to spend to make a sale. And once you get into that territory, you are not growing organically. It is not sustainable. The financial risk is higher and your return on investment is lower, much lower, because your business doesn't have a base of supporting customers. For you to sell, you must spend money, right? For you to spend, you must spend. For you to sell, you must spend money. So relationship building is a key part that you have to integrate and weave into your marketing on a budget strategy. There's no point marketing on a budget if you're not going to build relationships that will keep those customers. The reason why some businesses are able to get away with lower marketing costs is that they are able to retain a good chunk of their first-time customers that they spent money to acquire. Why is that important? Any customer that remains with your business, any customers that comes back to buy from you and keeps buying from you, you are not spending any more money, any more marketing costs. You're not incurring any marketing costs for those kinds of customers because they are coming back to buy from your business. You only spent money on marketing to acquire them once, and since that time, they have been coming back to buy, right? So relationship building is a key part. If not, marketing on a budget will not be sustainable. You will just be on a treadmill. What it means is that if you don't spend money on marketing, you cannot make a sale. And that is not a happy place to be as a business, because what if something happens? What if something like COVID happens? What if you lose your ability to keep marketing to those customers? I've seen people who lost their social media pages, either because they were hacked or for some reason Instagram or TikTok shut down their account or banned their account. Imagine you always have to spend money to get customers. If your account is banned on social media or you no longer have money to spend on marketing, what happens to your business? No more sales. So no matter what you do, whether you are positioning yourself strategically so that you can benefit from easier discovery, so that it will be easier for people to discover your business, or you are doing a good job with self-promotion, you are always using social media platforms, whether it's WhatsApp or whatever, you are going out there, you are canvassing, you're letting people know about your business, you're doing a good job with self-promotion, or you are working through third parties that are telling people, sharing the good news about your business to other people, right? All these things are good, but they are much more, they don't have a lot of residual value. You always have to keep doing them for them to work. But relationship building has a lot of residual value, because a relationship you build with somebody that makes that person keep coming back to your business, that is a major financial advantage for your business, because every returning customer means money that you are saving for marketing costs that you're saving your business, right? So what I'm going to do here is, for the rest of this course, I'm just going to be talking about specific actions and strategies you can use to achieve your objective of marketing on a budget. If you're interested in learning more about the topics I offer when it comes to starting, building, and growing a business, this is your opportunity to join my community. It's known as the BMG. I provide extensive courses on different topics and challenges that afflict business owners, from how to optimize your profits, how to manage costs, how to boost your sales, how to develop processes, how to scale your business. There's a whole lot that I can teach you. If you want to go deeper into my content, this is your chance. Go to the link on your screen right now, jointhebmg.com.